Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. So Bitcoin, I think I forgot yesterday what I did on Ethereum but didn't do it on Bitcoin was to put on the shorter term levels, which then projected down to 42.52 and 44,087. We've come down, we hit this 42.52 level going to below it, going to 42.21 actually, and now we're reversing. Looks like it's running out of momentum, and we've got clearly a pretty big divergence here. Higher low in RSI, lower low in price action. Now I'm going to be watching to see if we can get a close above the about 45.91. Can really go to 4,600, go to round number about 4,600. Then I'll be watching for a return if we get through that to 48.20 area, and then 5,000 based off of the 4-hour chart. Let's check in on that daily chart. Oh, by the way, the next level is lower besides the 4-hour 1,087. Then we have 39.50 to 4,000 are the next major level. This is a minor level. This is your next major level. Let's check in on that daily chart. So daily chart, you can also see 48.19. We have 49.18s to declining 8. So that's another area to watch for, but that's going to keep coming down. So I'd really focus on this. It's going to converge with this 48.19 level. That's the key level I'd watch based off the daily area. Got a question about what we're using for these Gann harmonics. I'm just using a Fibonacci retracement tool for the blue one, and instead of the Fibonacci levels, everything is 12.5% harmonic increments. So 0.125, 0.250, 0.375, 0.5, 0.625, 0.75, 0.875, and 1. For the projections, I'm using a Fibonacci extension tool, and then it's with the 12.125 and 0.25 extension are your major ones for that. I hope that helps. Also, you can see as we're getting a divergence here on the daily chart, so I'm going to start either watching for major consolidation or at least a retracement back up. We're just going to have to see if it has enough strength to start retracing. Switching over to Ethereum, which I did have these levels on yesterday. We had 119.10. We got down to 119.63. Retest again, making a slightly higher low. Looks like we're going back up to test the 8 right now. So if this holds, it also looks like we're getting a minor divergence here. Higher low in price. Well, we definitely had from over here. You can see it on the daily chart. We had a much lower low in price action, higher low in the RSI over here. So I'm going to then be watching for first key level. If we can get above 126.50, I'll be watching for a return to about 134 area. Okay, keep in mind that was prior support over here, right here, and the declining moving average. And I'm looking at the candle bodies more so. Candle bodies are actually more important than the exact highs or lows. Watch for lining up candle bodies. That should be your area that you're really targeting for your support or resistance levels in conjunction with the declining 21. If we get through there, then I'm watching for a return to 142, then about 150 area based off the 4-hour chart. Let's check in on the daily chart. Daily chart, I bumped that down to 148 instead of watching 150. 148 is where the 8 is, and keep watching this. If we stall out and just move sideways for a bit, this 8 is going to keep dropping and converge with this 142 level, which will then make that the most important level. To the downside, if we continue lower and these divergences don't hold, 108 to 112 are still the key areas in the short term, and then right around 80 the longer term. So that's what we're watching for on both Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.